guys, and welcome to the last part of our Switzerland tours. This time, we will tour you around the city of Zurich and the fascinating Old Town. As we came to visit Zurich during the Holy Week in the Christian world, it is the week between Palm Sunday and Easter. We visited St. Peter's Church as part of our commemoration to the Passion of our Lord Jesus Christ. The church is also known to have the largest clock face of all the European churches. We will also take you to the Lind, home of chocolate museum, where the impressive chocolate fountain in the entrance hall over 9 meters tall will be shown in the video. And a visit to the Bachmann Swiss award-winning brand chocolate with almost more than 100 years in making Swiss chocolate and the famous Laderack chocolate. We also ride the ferry and aerial cable car to Felsneg, and we enjoy overlooking Zurich and the lake. We have the advantage of walking to the city of Zurich due to the location of our hotel. And as I said on my first video, the hotel we stayed in, which is called St. Gotthard, was located in the heart of Zurich in Bahnhofstrasse shopping area and just a few steps from the city's main railway. It is also a 15 minutes walk from the city's old town. Thank you guys, and this will end our Switzerland tours. Please watch for more videos as we impart our travel vlogs and share with you our travels in a budget. Enjoy watching!
Tinan mo, ganun din eh. 10.
That's the wealthiest suburb on this side of the lake, Kilchberg, with 7,000 residents.
More of this? Yeah. Get on. 1, 2. Look at it, Gary.
Oh, it's a video. Yep. Okay. So flowers. You can make it look style-based na.
Das habe ich vorhin auch kurz überlegt, ob ich das habe. Das ist auch nicht pink, besonders auch mit dem Glitzer. Ja.
Nein, alle.
Meinst du das? Ich habe so ein
Tapos bumalik-ulit natin. Hanapin natin, no? Natin yung
Ka-video na ba? Blandina. Meron po akong kasamang Blandina dito. Hindi pala. Red. A red hair girl. Every corner. This is just an alley in an old town. Where are you? There you are. There they are. Look at them. To the aisle. Pag gano'n nasa kayo.
La casa de bar había pensado darle a Roberto la parte que él tiene.
Rainy days. Baka malagyan sa
Thank you again, guys, for watching. Please subscribe.